Dimple's an Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Hello, welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey, and today's unique recipe is cappuccino coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. Let us now have a look onto the ingredient list. For this cappuccino recipe, here I've used Nescafe Red Mug, double filter. Feel free to use any of your favorite brand. Coffee powder. So basically, we need coffee powder, which is a core basic ingredient. Around half cup. Same ratio, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup of water, warm water please, and a coffee mug. Let us start our cappuccino recipe by starting off with boiling the milk. Please boil the full fat milk and keep it aside. In a bowl, please add half cup of sugar, half cup of Nescafe coffee powder, followed with 1/4 cup of water. You could easily use a hand whisk, which will slightly take a little bit of more time, maybe 10 minutes or more, just time consuming a bit, or go for an electric beater. Please note that you need to start off with the low to medium mode and simultaneously increase the speed up to high mode. Every minute you need to keep on increasing the speed level. Post 2 minutes, you could visibly see the changes. The liquid consistency has now changed into a smooth consistency. While you see the visible change of the color, post 3 minutes, you need to keep the mode on a high speed and blend it for more 1 minute until unless you get that stiff peak and a silky smooth texture. Please don't over whip it. The consistency is perfect, creamy and silky texture. And there you go, done to perfect. Enjoy your silky smooth cappuccino. Can be stored for up to 2 weeks or so and safely consumed within 2 weeks. Please add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade cappuccino, followed with the hot milk. Post you add in the milk, You can also add in some sugar. Increase it as per your taste. Give it a good mix. Mix it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Top it with more 2 tablespoons of cappuccino and serve it hot. And the last part, just give it a good swirl for around 3 to 4 minutes. There you go. Enjoy your smooth and silky cappuccino, just like the one you order from the restaurant. Thank you so much for connecting to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Do share this video with your friends and family, and please do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag Florin Aroma. Thank you so much.